Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to propagate Portulaca grandiflora plant. This plant is easy to propagate. To do that, you need to follow simple steps. All we need in this propagation is a pot with soil in it and a cutting from our lovely plant. In the next step, we put a hole in the soil around 3 cm deep. Then we put our cutting and cover it with soil. Finally, we water the pot to push out the air from the soil. This is our plant after 2 months. It needs a fertilizer to keep growing well, so I give it an NPK 20-20-20 fertilizer and a little bit chelated iron. And finally, after 3 months, this is our lovely plant growing with no problems. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.